Welcome to one and all present here. I welcome each and every one for my project demonstration. Myself with my other three teammates have worked on a project Secure Mail. Our team consists of myself, John Nesa Kumar, Jenitta Kumari and Kavya P. First of all, I want to thank Exposys Data Lab for giving us this great opportunity to expand our knowledge and to create something useful in this pandemic situation. In the starting of this month, we received information from our college faculties stating about the Exposys Data Lab internship. So when we went through the message, we had a great idea and interest to work in this project. So we contacted to Exposys Data Lab internship and registered it in. After 48 hours, we received our topic, and the topic that was given to us was encryption and decryption algorithm. Mr. Vishnu sir, working in Exposys Data Lab, helped us a lot in success of this project. So I also want to extend my thanks to him. To get about the project topic, we had no idea how to implement it. Mr. Vishnu sir only helped us to understand the project and the need of the project. So he explained us clearly what is the need that the company requires for the project to be a successful one. So we basically went on with an email system that is similar to all other email systems, but the only thing that differentiates it is it's highly secure one. It is end-to-end encrypted. That is, if the sender sends an email, as soon as he sends, each and everything becomes encrypted, and it is only decrypted only when the receiver wants to view the content of the mail. So it will be a clear explanation when we will go throughout the project. So basically we have used MYSQL in the backend and Java as the coding platform here. So to look in the backend, the database that is storing the details is named as email software, and this basically has two tables as listed below: the account table and the email table. The account table helps us to store the details of the user existing in our system. So basically in the initial stage, we would have an empty set of accounts table, and the email table helps us to get an clear idea or to store the details of the email sent. So again, to look back with the email table, we would again come with a conclusion of an empty set, because initially we don't have any emails going through in our system. So once I will run with our code, so basically the first page that is displayed, and then this is the page that is displayed to the user in the first. So it has three options: login, sign up and exit. So login helps us to log in with our account, sign up help us to create a new account, and exit help us to exit this application. So if I click on sign up, it shows it asks few details that is needed to be filled. So basically the first name, if I give it as ABC, the last name as XYZ, and the password let it be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and if I give the password as only we have certain criteria that the password should have minimum of 8 length, and if I give only 7 characters in the password field, and if I give the same 7 characters in my confirm password field, and the phone number is obviously a 10-digit number, so I enter 10 digits in the phone number field, and this captcha code is a unique design that we have done with our mail system that will help us validate the content here. So we have given the topic validation, so this will help us clear the topic and use to validate the data. It will also help us to avoid robots coming into our system. So if we enter the correct captcha code only, it will go through. So now if I click on submit, it shows password must have minimum of 8 characters. So I give the 8th character, and when I give on submit, it shows success. Your username is abcxyz1@smail.com. This one is automatically generated because to avoid the duplication of same mail. So if I click on OK, it redirects me to the login page. So I give it as abcxyz1@smail.com, and if I give the password as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, if I view the password, you can see it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and if I click on login, it shows success, logged in with username abcxyz1@smail.com. So if I click on OK, it directs me to the home page. This table basically helps me to show the inbox mail or the sent mail. If I click on inbox, it shows me the inbox mail. If I click on sent, it shows me the emails that this particular user has sent. So this compose frame helps me to generate a new mail and send it to the one we need. So to send the mail, I need another account. So we will log out from this account and sign up and create a new account. So let the first name be PQR, the second name be XYZ, and the password be 87654321, and the confirm password should be same as the password field. So again I give 87654321 and enter a phone number. Let the phone number be 12345678 and 9, since the first one we already had a 0, so to avoid the duplication number, but you can create 2 emails with the same phone number. So if I click and if I give the correct valid captcha code, so and when I click on submit, it shows success, your username is pqrxyz2@smail.com. If I click on OK, it again redirects me to the login page. So I give it as pqrxyz2@smail.com, and if I give the password as 87654321, and if I click on the view button, you can see the password that is given is 87654321, and if I click on the login, it shows success login with the username and the following username. If I click on OK, so now I can compose a mail to abcxyz1@smail.com. So if I give here abcxyz@smail.com, and if I enter the subject as hi, this is a project developed during the Exposys Data Labs internship. Okay. So if I click on the send button, it shows enter a valid email ID. This actually helps us to clear the validation concept that is used to validate whether the given mail address is valid or not. So if I give the correct mail address and click on send, it shows email sent successfully. If I click on OK, when I go to my sent box, it shows me the email that I have sent. I can click on the email to expand it, as well as if the forward button helps us to forward this mail to anyone else existing in the system. So and if I go to the first account back, and if I give abcpqr1@smail.com, and if I give the password as this forget password helps us to generate the password. So I can give it 12345678, and if I click on forget password and give abcxyz@smail.com, and if I give the following as abc and xyz and the phone number, and if I click on submit, it shows my username and my password. So again it directs me to the login page abcxyz1@smail.com, and if I give the password as 123456 and 78, in view the password, yes, I have given an incorrect password, so I can change it, and if I click on login, it shows success login. So automatically the mail that is sent by PQRXYZ2 is automatically shown in my inbox page. I can click on reload to reload and mail, and in the send box I have nothing. So the status of this message is pending. Only when I open my mail, it automatically updates the value to pending, from pending to read. So I can reply to this mail. Reply will help me replying to the same person back, and see automatically the status is changed to read once I expand the mail, and forward helps me to forward this mail to anyone else I need. And then I will show the details in my backend how it is stored, the account. You can see that the two users are really stored in an encrypted way. It is binary numbers, it has zeros and ones, but it's not conversion of decimal to binary. It's totally a different kind of algorithm that I am damn sure that wouldn't be available in anything in this world, because this is our own design algorithm. We four have decided this algorithm. This works in a very unique way. And similarly for the mail, I can check we have sent only one mail and the details of the mail are stored in this manner. So this is also encrypted in a very highly secured format that no one else can just view this content and decrypt the mail. This is only known by V4 and the software. So okay, to proceed with the things, the other features that we have in the app are, if we click on this particular box, we get our profile page, that is the username, first name, last name and the phone number. Modify profile helps us to change the phone number and the current password. So if I change the phone number as 1 and click on save number, it shows mobile number updated successfully. If I give something like rubbish kind of thing and save number, check entered phone number. Okay, then in the current password, the phone number is not changed. If I click on back and if I click on modify profile, you can see the old phone number again coming back. So if I change the password, the current password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and if I change the new password as 8765433, and if I click on 8765433 and click on save password, it shows password change successfully and it redirects me to the login page. So again, if I log in it 1@xmail.com and if I give the password as 8765433, and when I view to the password, it shows me 8765433, and if I click on login, it shows logged in with username. If I give the old password, it will never help me log in into my account. So we will try with that also. So if I give 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and click on the view button, it shows me 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and if I click on the login, it shows incorrect password. So this is the all idea and the backend that we have used to work on our project. So I hope that you would have enjoyed the session, and again I extend my thanks to Exposys Data Lab and Mr. Vishnu sir for helping us throughout the project.